Some choices are simply too much fun to make on your own. Meet the dial of destiny, the weighted spinning wheel that decides for you. Start in seconds. Pick a ready-made template, today's lunch, the presentation order, or a playful penalty. Then simply spin. The dial glides, the pointer settles, and destiny makes the call. Not every choice deserves equal odds. Give an item more weight, and its probability, and its slice of the wheel, grow to match. What you see is exactly what you get. Spin again, and let the new odds do the talking. Prefer the dark? One tap, and the entire dial dresses for the evening. Every result is saved to your history, together with its weight and probability. And it all stays on your device. No sign-up, no servers. It works completely offline. The dial of destiny. Let destiny decide.